Hey guys, Blake Vaca Valley Truck here. Just want to show you something we just finished up. Right here we've got a Thor Palazzo. It's a coach, obviously motorhome. What we did on the coach is we added an air braking system that you can see right here that's connected to the flat tow vehicle, this beautiful 1966 Bronco. Well, it's a 2023
Retro.
1966 edition. We also have the plug-in. Right here we have a Roadmaster Nighthawk towbar, and it goes into the Roadmaster base plate system. You've got your standard safety cables, your breakaway switch, and your pins. But if you come around this way, the reason why the Air Force One is just by and large the top of the line braking system. I'm gonna have Daryl get up in here and zoom in on the brake pedal. What's nice about this braking system is that it can stay in your car all the time. That little cylinder that you're seeing right now has a aircraft grade cable that when the coach vehicle puts on the brakes, it'll depress the brakes back here, and up over to the right there, you'll see the coach link. Keep going right there. That coach link is what tells the motorhome up front that the brakes are working. If you guys ever want to flat tow, or you're interested in flat towing, come see us at 1240 Callan Street here in Vacaville, or call us 707-447-9905. Thank you guys so much.